Yo, what's up guys, it's Technology Hell back here, and today in this video I'll show you the quickest and the simplest and yet the most effective way to get rid of this error that's coming up on your AdSense as well as the YouTube payments account. So you can just go to the Go Payments section, and over there you are greeted with this red alert that says some additional documents are required to verify your tax information. So simply press on the Update Tax Info button, and assuming that you are from India, you might have tried uploading your tax information in forms of your PAN card, or sometimes you might have also attempted with your Aadhaar card as well. But trust me, none of them is gonna work because I have tried both of these methods several times. I'm doing this since the starting of January and I'm still not able to figure it out how to get it fixed. So what I came to know, this thing right here, tax residency country or region, it says India. It does not mean that you are filling your tax details for Indian tax. Recently, we got this Singapore tax form where we had to fill in our details so that the tax for Singapore can be segregated from the overall payments. And there we had the section where we chose the exemption for a tax treaty. We chose yes. Yes, it is true that India has a tax treaty with Singapore, but since you have chosen yes, you will have to upload legal documents that say that your business or your whatever purpose you are using your AdSense for, it is registered with the Indian government, and only then you will be able to obtain that tax certificate. Tax certificate is what you need to upload in here. So I have uploaded my PAN card, it did not work. I tried with my Aadhaar card, it did not work. So today I'll show you how to get it properly fixed up. Go to the Singapore tax section, update tax info, start a new form, and start a form overall again. Now you'll be taken up to the form that you filled up for the Singapore tax treaty. So just scroll down, let everything be as it is, and there you'll see the section tax exemptions. Are you eligible for tax exemption? Just choose no and you will be good to go. Because for yes, you have already uploaded any one of your document and that document is creating this problem. So just choose no. A little bit of your payment will be reduced from the Singapore tax rates, and that's it. You will get rid of this problem permanently. And in case you want to claim these tax exemptions, then you are most welcome. You can go register your business, get your domain name, and then get your legal documents regarding your tax exemption. So just choose no for tax exemption. Are you eligible for other exemptions or lower tax rates? Choose no and simply hit submit. And then within a few seconds, your form should get submitted and it will go under approval again. And there you can see your tax info has been accepted for Singapore. And now you just need to wait for a couple of minutes and then this red alert should disappear from your AdSense. So I just popped up to my mail and there you can see your Singapore tax information has been accepted. So I'll just get back to my payments account. I'll reload and refresh the page. And now you can see that this red alert is still there. So just go to the show tax details section and then simply delete the tax form that you have filled for it. So basically we are deleting the document that we have pushed in for this particular tax. Now that thing is gone. Now refresh again. And so there this error thing is still here. So just go to payments. There are issues with your payment account. Tax info for Singapore has been accepted and you have a new tax document available for download. And there are no further errors popping up on the screen right now. This particular notification, it should disappear in some time. Alright, so it's been a couple of hours since I recorded that part of the video where I showed you how can you get that error fixed up. So now I'll just head up to my AdSense dashboard, and this time you can see nothing such as the previous red alerts pop on my dashboard anymore. Even if I go to the notification section, there is no such issue regarding that same. If I head back to the payments section for my AdSense, you can see all the tax documents that I have filled up for my current AdSense account, the Singapore and the US tax documents, and you can see there is no red alert that says there is an issue with my AdSense account. So yes, all you need to do is to disable that you are eligible for a tax treaty and your error should disappear from your account. So hope this video helps. No need to try out with various types of documents anymore. Simply say that you are not eligible for a tax treaty. That's it. Thanks for watching.